Hello everyone. Today, I'll demonstrate how to use cupping therapy to relieve stress. We'll focus on key acupuncture points that promote relaxation and reduce tension. Let's begin. The most effective acupuncture points for stress relief include Fengchi, located at the base of the skull, on either side of the spine. This point reduces tension and promotes relaxation. Jianjing, found at the top of the shoulders, this point helps relieve tightness caused by stress. Dazhui, positioned at the base of the neck, this point calms the nervous system and releases tension. Ganshu, located in the middle of the back, this point improves circulation and alleviates emotional stress. Gently place cups on these points to create suction. The negative pressure improves blood flow, reduces muscle tension, and promotes a deep sense of relaxation. Leave the cups in place for 10 to 15 minutes for maximum benefit. Thank you for watching this tutorial on cupping therapy for stress relief. Remember, these points can help you relax and restore balance. Always consult a professional for safe and effective therapy. Take care, and see you next time. Goodbye.